can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently trades above $57,000. Bitcoin has been ranging for more than 150 days. How long will it take us to range? How low can we possibly go when we start dumping to Goblin Town? I'll be giving you my bear market target. Guys, I see Bitcoin probably getting below $15,000. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. The crypto fear and greed index currently sits at 29. The crypto market has been in extreme fear over the last 1 month. The last 1 month has seen a lot of sideways movements, a lot of chops has been happening. We pump today, we dump tomorrow, and right now sentiment in the market is not interesting. Sentiment in the market says there's a lot of fear. Bitcoin the last 1 month is up 7.1%, and the last 1 week is down 3.7%, which begs the question, why is there a lot of fear in the market if Bitcoin is up 7.1% over the last 1 month? Guys, it's because of expectations. A lot of people in the market right now, a lot of market participants are expecting Bitcoin to probably go towards $100,000, maybe $200,000. And for some weird reasons, Bitcoin has stalled at the previous all-time high. And the number one question on most market participants' lips right now is how low can the Bitcoin price go? Bitcoin price is down 22% from its record high, and many analysts expect Bitcoin to bottom in the $45,000 to $50,000 range. Bitcoin price has declined by more than 3% over the last 7 days, with the bulk of the gain accrued from August at $49,500 being erased. Now, Bitcoin had a huge dump on the 5th of August 2024, and put this on a daily time frame. That was a crazy dump that we saw, that we had the next day, that it was Japan carry trade, yada. Most times, if we have a huge dump in the cryptocurrency market, there's always someone to blame. And this dump that happened on the 5th of August, it was the Japanese carry trade. It was a crazy 1 week in crypto. 1 week earlier, we had Donald Trump appearing at the Bitcoin conference, Bitcoin trading above $70,000. 1 week later, we saw Bitcoin trading around $49,000, with Bitcoin losing around 29% of its value in around 7 days. But Bitcoin made a recovery. Bitcoin had a bounce that took it from $49,000. We saw Bitcoin make a swift rebound in the next 21 days back to $65,000. But again and again, we have seen Bitcoin over the last 150 days continue pumping and continue dumping to Goblin Town. Bitcoin has erased most of those gains, heading back to $55,000. I don't believe we're in a bull market, guys. I believe the bull market has ended. I believe we are undergoing distribution in the cryptocurrency market, and Bitcoin has been undergoing that distribution since the 13th of March 2024. If you take a look at what happened on the 5th of March 2024, something critical happened for the price of Bitcoin. We were going parabolic, and then we had a big pullback. I believe that was the buying climax of this whole move, and that was when this distribution pattern started. If you use your tool to measure how long Bitcoin has just been ranging from around $57,000 to around $70,000+, you can see that it's been over 6 months right now, 184 days to be precise. Bitcoin has been stuck around the 16% range. Where I expect Bitcoin to dump straight to Goblin Town, and where I expect Bitcoin to get to in the next 1 month, it's very bearish. A lot of my bearishness comes from the fact that Bitcoin has not been able to break its all-time high over the last 6 months. It has been stuck around that price region. You have to ask yourself that fundamental question. If Bitcoin is not pumping to higher prices, it means a lot of market participants have a lot of supply to be able to sell at that price, and some smart people are selling for some sweet profit, because you have to ask yourself this fundamental question. If I bought Bitcoin at $15,000 in November of 2022, and my investments has run up by more than 362%, will I be taking some profit? Will I be waiting for Bitcoin to head towards $100,000? Because guys, from where Bitcoin is trading right now, for Bitcoin to head towards $100,000, we'll see just a 75% pump from where we're currently trading. And Bitcoin can do those explosive moves. We saw Bitcoin go from $25,000 in September of 2023 rallying up to as high as $71,000 by March of 2024. It went up 187% in that 182 days. If Bitcoin will repeat the same trick, rallying up over 182% in the next 182 days, Bitcoin should be trading around $165,000. But I don't think that will be possible. I think Bitcoin is currently going through a wave B. I believe this huge bear market we have was one of the normal bear markets we used to see Bitcoin having. We saw this bear market have 5 different waves, which is very, very classic for a correction of wave A. And if you know about Elliot's wave, I believe Bitcoin is in a huge, huge corrective wave since 2021. I believe we've seen the first wave here where Bitcoin dumped by 77% from $69,000 to $15,000. And the second wave has seen Bitcoin rally from $15,000 to $73,000. And I believe we're going to see the third wave for Bitcoin carry us below $15,000. This is wave A, wave B, and I believe Bitcoin is currently in wave C. And more time than not, wave C erases all the gains we made in wave B, and that would mean that Bitcoin will go below the $15,000 level, maybe even getting to as low as $10,000. But guys, it's not all doom and gloom. I'm not expecting Bitcoin to just fall straight back to $10,000 without any rally. I still expect us to have a relief rally. I expect Bitcoin to have a relief rally that will take us maybe, just maybe, to as high as $66,000, maybe $67,000. Remember, guys, the same way we're dumping slowly is the same way if we're pumping, we'll be pumping slowly. But when the market is bearish, we notice that the pumps are less aggressive than the dumps. If you take a look at what has been happening for Bitcoin since March, you see that anytime we're dumping, those dumps are aggressive, but anytime we're pumping, those pumps are short-lived. And I believe that trend will continue. Another important thing to pay attention to is that the Fed might be cutting interest rate. Now, Bitcoin has been in this environment quite a while, but this is going to be the first time we're seeing the stock market in all-time highs. We're seeing a lot of stocks in all-time highs. No, not a lot of stocks, just like 7 stocks. Bitcoin too failed to break all-time highs. A lot of altcoins in the market have not been able to break all-time highs. So there's a lot of limbo in the market. There's a lot of expectations for huge rally in all markets, in the crypto market included. And I believe those expectations might not be met. I believe we just have one final rally that will get everybody singing Kumbaya, everybody believing we're going to the moon. If Bitcoin gets to $60,000, if we're lucky, we even see trading around $66,000 before the eventual dump to Goblin Town. Right now, when the early stages of that bear market, a lot of people are going to be in denial. It will be hard for them to agree that the bull market is over. But guys, this market has been going on for more than 18 months. It has been going up for more than 18 months. We saw Bitcoin hitting the bottom on the 12th of November, 2022. Right now, Bitcoin is up by more than 664 days in this cycle. And I don't believe this is a normal bull market. That's why we are seeing strange things happening in the market. I believe Bitcoin is getting ready for one final dump that will give us that generational entry. Imagine Bitcoin trading around $10,000, below $15,000. A lot of market participants will want to buy, and that will be the best place to get good value for money. So let's look long term into the future. This analysis is not what I'm expecting to play out in the next 1 week, in the next 2 weeks. I'm expecting to take a few months to play out. What I currently think is happening with Bitcoin is what we saw happen in 2022. When Bitcoin first had our first pullback where everybody thought the bull market is going to happen, it's just a correction. Bitcoin had about a 50% pullback. What happened after that was very dramatic. Bitcoin had a huge 42% rally in 72 days, but this was just a redistribution before the eventual big dump that was going to go to Goblin Town, and that big dump saw Bitcoin dumping by 63% in around 84 days. Yes, I know the market might not repeat everything it does exactly, but guys, there's a lot of similarities with what we've seen Bitcoin in 2024, with what it did in 2022. We've seen Bitcoin dump by around 33% from its all-time highs, and I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin put in a rally that might get stopped out by the 200-day moving average, and that would have seen Bitcoin rally up by around 28 to 30%. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Where do you see Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you think the market is overreacting? Bitcoin is up on the monthly. We're up 7.2%. Bitcoin is up on the yearly. So only those people that bought Bitcoin the last 1 week are probably in losses. So why do we have a lot of negative emotions in the market? I think it's because there's a lot of over expectations. From the expected pump that we're going to see, we're overestimating how high the pump will go, and we're underestimating how low the dump will go. And right now, what I think will happen is Bitcoin will come below its 200-week moving average, and that's below $38,000. And my personal opinion is that we're going to see Bitcoin at some point in time in the next 1 year trade below $15,000. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for a long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.